Okay. So my algae is Jania. Okay, it's not presenting. Oh, there we go. We're good. So it's from the empire Eukaryota, the kingdom Plantae, the phylum Rhodophyta, the class Floridiophisiae, uh, the order Corallinalis, the family Corallinaceae, and the genus Jania. So some of the biology, um, it goes through sporic meiosis. It has an isomorphic alternation of generations. It also has dichotomous branching. And there's kind of like two portions, the genicular portions, which are the uncalcified, like bendable portions. And then there's less flexible intergenicular portions, which are actually calcified. And some interesting facts, there is this study done by Carballo and Avila, and they actually found a mutualistic relationship between one of the common species of Jania and a sponge. So they don't know the exact benefits of the relationship, but they think it's probably to do with environmental protection from like waves, turbulence, current, or just sand abrasion. And they actually think this because they didn't really see any living sponge without the algae, but they did find some algae alone, but not as much. And the sponge is actually one of the most dominant species in the area, and it's only seen with the algae. Another thing is bioabsorption, which is just the removal of a substance in a solution by biological means. Sorry, I don't know if that's in the way, but so they actually use this to absorb heavy metals and like metal ions from like water and stuff. So algae, or a lot of red algae like Jania, are being used to remove these ions. And this study, it wasn't actually about Jania, but I thought it was kind of cool. They used some kind of grass, I don't know, and they actually absorbed like a lot of the chemical waste and heavy metals from an agriculture. So it's kind of a interesting way that you could probably use some of the red algae to help with pollution and effluents. Uh, so this study actually tested it. So they did use one species of Jania, and they went through 4 different metal solutions, which are all heavy metals, and they actually found that there is an extremely high rate of bioabsorption. So after like 2 cycles, they actually absorbed 94% of it, which is like a lot. So it just helps out the environment, like, you know. And so this means like it could be used as a natural, like cost-effective way of removing heavy metal effluents from like industrial systems, like factories. So reducing a lot of the pollutants. And here are my citations. Any questions?